Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz, and I want to answer the question today that was posed to me by someone on the internet. They said, essentially, a good friend of mine had a terrible car accident and was very critically injured and is financially not doing well since they're unable to work. What can I do to help my friend? And so this got me thinking, and I want to tell you that if you have a situation like this, there are a number of things that you can do to help a friend. I want to talk about two of them that sort of are at the top of my mind right now. Number one, there's a foundation in Dover, Delaware, and I support it. I'd like you to check it out. You can find their page on Facebook, and we'll link to the Facebook page in the notes in the transcript of this video. But essentially it's called the Gotta Have Faith Foundation, and what the foundation does is it has a 5K every year and raises funds by conducting that event. Those funds are given to someone who's been severely injured in an automobile accident. So if your friend was severely injured in an automobile accident, you can contact the Gotta Have Faith Foundation. This is the t-shirt from the 5K that happened a couple of weeks ago. Contact the foundation and see if you can submit your friend's name as the recipient of funds. The other thing that I want to mention to you is GoFundMe. If you've never heard of GoFundMe, it's a website where you can set up an account and you can get a link to that account. You can publish that link in emails to people. You can tweet that link. You can put it on your Facebook page, and you can raise awareness. And then anyone who wants to donate to your friend's cause can go to that link to your GoFundMe page that you set up and make a donation. This is sort of at the top of my mind because last week I donated to a GoFundMe page where someone was injured in a motorcycle accident. Actually, someone was killed in a motorcycle accident, and the family was trying to raise funds to give the boy a funeral. And so I know a lot of people in Delaware have, in the last week or two, have gone on a GoFundMe page and funded the funeral expenses for a boy that was in a motorcycle accident. So these are two things you can do. If you have someone in your family or a friend, or if you yourself were injured in a severe automobile accident or any kind of accident for that matter, you're having financial difficulties, maybe the insurance that you carried was not sufficient to pay your expenses, you're out of work, you don't have money coming in, a GoFundMe page or apply to a foundation like Gotta Have Faith Foundation and try and get some funding going to help pay the bills. I think these are two good ideas. I think it's something that's important, and we ought to be talking about these things, because if you've been injured in a severe automobile accident or other accident, you know, I know from experience how traumatic it can be and how problematic it can be when you've got bills coming in but no money coming in to pay those bills. Again, I'm Ben Schwartz. I'm from the law firm Schwartz & Schwartz. I hope you found this video interesting, helpful, entertaining. If you liked it, please share it on Facebook. Please retweet our tweet. If you have any questions, send me an email on ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.